Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. Today I am doing a braid out takedown. Yes, I have finally decided to try a braid out since I've been loving twist out since going natural. So the first thing I'm doing here is applying some oil to my hair before I take my hair down. And the way you take your hair down is so important. So as you can see, when taking down a braid out, you do not loose it out aggressively or carelessly. You want to be very careful starting from the very ends, and you also want to be sure to keep those 3 strands separated while taking down your braid out. So this also depends on the way you put in your braid out. So when you are putting in your braid out, you want to keep the 3 strands separated and never overlap the hair strands because it plays a big role in the takedown. So I didn't manage to record myself putting my hair in the braids because I did them late at night spontaneously, and my ring light recently broke, so I couldn't capture good lighting at night. But I am just showing you guys in the time being how I take it down. I will definitely do a follow-up video showing you guys how I put them in. So I find that the pull-in technique, where I pull the 2 outer strands of my braid out apart, actually helps me to keep those strands separated, and it prevents a lot of frizz due to the strands being separated during takedown. And I just repeat this whole process. Overall, I find that I really loved the way the braid out came out. It was very defined, so moisturized. It looked very amazing with great definition. However, I felt like I didn't have that much hold even though I use a curling cream. So I feel like the next time I will definitely probably try it with gel to see if it lasts a bit longer. So this is my hair completely unraveled from that braid out. As you can see, it has a great stretch and it is super defined, really pretty. So the front of my hair is already sectioned off. That is how I did my braid out. So when you're getting ready to do any style, you want to make sure that you part your hair off before you plait it down. So for the front section, I decided to go for a little pompadour look. So I'm just loosen it out, making it undefined, and then taking a rat tail comb and getting rid of any parts so that it can lay really smooth. And then I just apply some edge control just to smooth down my edges a bit, give it a nice sleek look. And now I am doing a roll twist. So this will create a nice beautiful pompadour in the front. This is what I am going for today for my braid out takedown. You can style your braid out any way you like. You could have left it how I had it when I first took it down, but I wanted to spice it up and do something different since I'm always wearing my hair in the same style. So this gives me a nice variation. So I'm just doing a roll twist. It's really simple. Make sure that you're twisting it tight. Don't worry, it won't be tight once you pin it down. This hairstyle automatically loosens up after you pin it down, so it is not tight at all. But make sure that you are gripping it tight. This is going to allow it to form into a nice pompadour. You just roll it. It's just a roll of the wrist. That's how you do it. And this is how my hair looks, a nice pompadour. You can leave it like this, a nice beautiful defined braid out, but I like my braid outs to have volume since my hair isn't super thick. So I'm just separating the hair without pulling the ends apart. So you separate but don't loosen up the ends. This will allow your braid out to remain super defined even though it has volume. And then I just take my fingers and ruffle up the roots so that all the parts are gone and I do not have any visible parts. I definitely need to invest in a pick. I don't know what I am waiting for, but a pick will make this process so much more easier. And this is the end result of my braid out, guys. Beautiful defined braid out with a nice pompadour crown in the front. I hope that you guys found this helpful. Let me know if you are going to try it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Definitely subscribe to my channel for weekly videos and see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.